Hello and welcome to Making Materials again. So now I'm going to show you a game called the Hadoken game, named after the special move of Ryu and Ken in Street Fighter. So we're going to have a Hadoken battle, and just like in the video game, we're going to have 3 lives for each character. So this should be quite a fast-paced game, so we're going to use the buzzer set today. This was bought by my BOE, and it can be used by any school in the Takashima region. But luckily for me, no one else has requested it since I asked to use it, so it's been in my school for a long time. So there's actually 6 buzzers, but today we're only going to have 2 teams. So I've just taken out buzzer number 1, buzzer number 6. The whole class will be divided into 2 teams, which will stand in a straight line, one on this side, one on this side. We're going to be practicing vocabulary with this game. It could be used for other things, but I like to use it at the end of a semester or after a long holiday, such as coming back after the summer break, to review vocabulary from the first half of the year. So we're going to be using the flashcards. We'll choose a set of flashcards which cover things they've recently done. And very simply, all we're going to do is we're going to hold up the cards so the students can see the Japanese side, and very quickly the students have to buzz and say what the word is in English. So hold up this card. Yes, food. Correct, food. If the team is correct, their Hadoken moves 1 place. As this is the first round, we're going to just get a Hadoken here. So they have Hadoken. Next round. Okay, hold up this card. And let's say, reset. Yes, forest. Ping pong, that's correct. So the other team get their Hadoken. So with each card that we're holding up, they're going to get a correct answer for one team or the other team, and the Hadoken is going to move. So let's move it a few places. Let's say this team get 2 correct, this team gets 1 correct, this team gets another 1 correct. At this point, when the 2 Hadokens meet, I replace them with this special Hadoken. From now on, every time we do a card, so for example, yukuri, yukurito, so slowly, correct. The ball is now going to be pushed either this way or this way, according to which team gets it correct. So at the beginning, 2 separate Hadokens moving towards each other until they merge. After that, the one ball is pushed backwards and forwards. After each card is read, I do a bonus round. So we tell the students at the beginning that after correct translation has been made, so first of all, okay, yukurito, ping pong, yes, slowly, correct. Move the Hadoken along the trail. Then I will say bonus. When I say bonus, any student in the team can raise their hand. What we want is a sentence using that word. So for example, I walk to school slowly. Great, perfect. Whichever team correctly gets that gets a bonus point. I usually use stars as bonus points. Okay, except I can't draw a star with my left hand. Okay, so I use stars as bonus points. The point of this is that when they get 5 bonus points, so 5 sentences, they can get a supercharge for their character. This is a supercharge. And usually when I do the supercharge, I do a quick Hadoken sound for them as well. Hadoken! Which they like. After that, every time this team gets a correct answer, so for example, we have this word, and they say hungry, correct. If they have a supercharge, they will push the Hadoken not 1 place, but 2 places. 1, 2. Strike. This team loses 1 of its lives. When a life is lost, we reset the game. All Hadokens are removed, all supercharges are removed, all bonus points are removed. Reset. And we start again. You can really adapt this to the amount of time you have simply by changing the length of the trail. 4-point game, 3-point game, or making it longer. 7-point game. So it's very, very flexible. We're trying to get through maybe 3 rounds. So when I look at the clock, I see how much time I've got. Okay, we've probably got time to play 3 points. Sometimes it will go very fast. Sometimes they will really push the Hadoken backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Each student stays at the buzzer until a correct guess has been made. So, for example, this card comes up. Amiga furimasu. Rain. Correct. Then both students at the buzzer will change. They will go to the back of their team's line and the next one will come in. So we're having a very rapid changeover of students. Every student has to guess, but on the bonus part, anybody can answer. So bonus, anybody can raise their hand. Yes, it rained yesterday. Very good, bonus point. So here's the other, specially tailor-made supercharge. So here you can see both characters with their superchargers on. So you can see the full set here. That's everything. Ryu and Ken characters taken from the internet, large copies, same picture in miniature for the lives. Hadoken, just made by hand. Merged Hadoken, made by hand. And Hadoken Trail, made by hand as well. Okay, obviously if you don't have a buzzer set, you can just use raising hands and you'll have to be very accurate on who raised their hands first. Buzzer set just makes it more lively. And flashcards, which I think every school has. Really great game, really fast paced. Students kept asking me for weeks afterwards, Hadoken game, Hadoken game, Hadoken game. So they'll probably be very happy to play it again after the summer break. There you go. Any questions or comments, please leave something on the video. Thank you very much.